Happy September, everyone. I'm going to be kicking off this year's Powers Music Irish Music Learner session with the power tune The Handsome Young Maidens by Charlie Lennon. Charlie left us earlier this summer. He was a great fiddle player, piano player, tune composer, and this is one of his. And I've got his book, Musical Memories, here to keep me on track with his original version, because Charlie often wrote out the A part repeated twice with little changes and specific ways he wanted the tune to be played. So I'm going to try to honor his composition in its original form. You'll find in sessions, people don't always stick to what Charlie's original vision of the tune was, and that's okay. That's Irish music. But it's good to know what he wrote out, and so I'll be giving you that today. And I highly recommend checking out that book, Musical Memories, or his original recordings and compositions. So many good ones. So this is one that's not too hard. He wrote a lot of tricky ones, actually. But this one's pretty easy on the fingers, especially if you're a fiddle player. It is an A major. Here we go.